I'm like, fuck it, I hate that I'm seeing you happy. She happy now with somebody else. See you at work and you wouldn't even look at me. Tell me where we go. Now I'm floating around with my head in the cloud trying to pick up the pieces. Had a few come around saying they down, even trying to believe it. Yeah. With a heart so broke. Ain't no question, no baby, no guessing. You love with half of a soul. Guess I ain't learning my lesson. When I loaded the Smith and the Wesson, and blood on the nigga you loving. Oh, Lord knows I could do better, but I hate that you feeling better, and that's why I hope he cheat, I hope he like getting another chick pregnant, and I hope you don't find out until the end. And I'm hoping that it's one of your trapping friends. If I can love you, 'cause no one can. I hope he cheat, I hope he like getting another chick pregnant, and I hope you don't find out until the end. And I'm hoping that it's one of your old trapping friends. If I can have you love, then no one can. If I can have you love, then no one can. If I can have you love, then no one can. If I can have you love, then no one can. If I can have you love, then might call me toxic, but you love the wild shit for me. And I know you're smiling, 'cause you know I'm watching and I see. 'Cause I'm to the topic when you get the typing in your feed. But he don't know you hit me when he's gone. Guess I ain't learning my lesson. When I loaded the Smith and the Wesson, and blood on the nigga you loving. Oh, Lord knows I could do better, but I hate that you feeling better, and that's why I hope he cheat, I hope he like getting another chick pregnant, and I hope you don't find out until the end. And I'm hoping that it's one of your trapping friends. If I can love you, 'cause no one can. I hope he cheat, I hope he like getting another chick pregnant, and I hope you don't find out until the end. And I'm hoping that it's one of your old trapping friends. If I can have you love, then no one can. If I can have you love, then no one can. If I can have you love, then no one can. If I can have you love, then no one can. If I can have you love, then. It's your boy Trevaile. You know we tuned in with Quality Sound House. You know no one can, baby, and that's what we came to drop down and let you know you can't love no one else. And we out.